Hello guys, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we're getting a first look at the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G, a phone that promises impressive camera specs, smooth performance, and 5G connectivity at an attractive price point. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G comes with large display and speedy performance. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G boasts a large 6.78-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display ensures a fluid and responsive experience, perfect for everyday tasks like browsing the web, watching videos, and gaming. The resolution is Full HD+, offering sharp visuals for most users. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor paired with 8GB of RAM. This combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even some light gaming. With 256GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. There's also a microSD card slot for expandable storage, a feature that's becoming increasingly rare in budget phones. Flagship-level camera on a budget. Where the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G truly shines is in the camera department. It features a dual camera system on the back, with the main sensor being a whopping 108 megapixels. This sensor boasts a large 1/1.67 inches size and captures stunningly detailed photos, especially in good lighting conditions. A secondary 2 megapixels macro sensor allows you to capture close-up shots with incredible detail. While the single 8 megapixels front-facing camera might seem basic, it should be sufficient for video calls and casual selfies. Built to last with everyday durability. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G comes in a stylish design with a choice of 3 colors. It also boasts an IP53 dust and splash resistance rating, meaning it can withstand light splashes and dust. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor provides convenient security. The 5000 mAh battery should offer all-day battery life on a single charge for moderate users. The 33W wide charging technology gets you back up and running quickly. However, some users might miss the convenience of a 3.5mm headphone jack. A feature-packed budget phone with 5G potential. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G is a compelling option for budget-minded users who prioritize a powerful camera system, a smooth display, and 5G connectivity. The 108 megapixels main sensor and large display are impressive features for the price range. With expandable storage, a long-lasting battery, and fast charging, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G offers excellent value for money. However, the lack of a headphone jack and a slightly dated IPS LCD display might be drawbacks for some users. Is Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G worth buying? With an expected release date of June 2024 and a budget-friendly price tag, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G is definitely a phone to keep an eye on. Are you a photography enthusiast on a budget? What features are most important to you in a budget phone? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews and upcoming gadget news.